Hello everyone, today we are going to study EBS chapter number 14, Precious Water. Firstly, I will tell you what is the meaning of precious. Precious means useful, okay? As we know, in our life, water is very useful for us. Without water, we cannot survive our life, okay? Because all living things, all living creature, insects, animal, human beings, all needs water for living, okay? Without water, we cannot imagine our life on the earth. Oh, okay, now we will study about the chapter. All living things need water to stay alive. As you know very well, without water we cannot live in our life. So every living things like human beings, creatures, animals, birds, insects, plants, every person need water. We need water to do different things such as drinking, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning and putting out the fire. Okay, we are using the water in so many different kinds of things. Firstly, we are drinking the water. Next, with the help of water, we are taking bath. With the help of water, we are cooking the food also. If water will not be, we cannot cook our food. Washing, we are washing our clothes. Cleaning, with the help of water we can clean our house, our cars, our showrooms and putting out the fire. If any place fire is there, then with the help of water we can putting out the fire also. As you can see this picture, okay, there are four kinds of pictures given. See, one boy is doing brushing, okay, without water he cannot brush. Next is of second time you see he is just wasting the water also. He has just opened the tap and he is doing brushing. Then we should not do this also. Whenever we are doing brushing, so we should always close the tap. Next you see in third picture, this boy is watering the plant, okay, in a good manner. That boy is with the help of pipe, he is watering the plant. That is a bad thing. Means it is not a good manner because he is just wasting the water. Whenever we want to water the plant, so firstly we should take properly water in the pot, then we should pour in the plants. As you can see, they all are doing the different kinds of things like drinking, okay, bathing, cooking, washing, cleaning and putting out the fire. These all are the activities which we are doing only with the help of water. Now we will study about source of water. Sources of water. What is the sources of water? Sources means from where we are getting the water. Okay, from which manner we are getting the water. Firstly, rain. Rain is the main source of water. Only rain is that by which we are getting water. It is the main source of the water. Okay, when it rains, water fills up ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. As you know, as you have ever seen always, when rainy season used to be, that time rainwater used to collect in so many places like ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. Okay, some rainwater goes below the ground into the soil. Okay, some water used to grow in the soil also. We take this water out by digging wells. Okay, these are the wells as you can see. In this also water used to be. In this, by pulling the bucket we can take out the water. In our homes we get water from the well, and in our homes we are getting water from the tap only. Okay, we get water from lake, wells and tap. We are getting water from many ways like lakes also, okay, wells, taps, rivers and many more things. So we should take care of the water also, and there are so many kinds of sources of the water by which we can use our water in different kinds of ways. We should now we will study about the clean water. What is the meaning of this clean water? We should always drink clean water and we should use only clean water. Okay, now we are going to study in this paragraph 3. Water from rivers, lakes, ponds and wells may not be clean. Which water we are getting from the rivers, from the lake and the pond and wells, that water may not be clean. It can be polluted also, okay, it can be dirty also. Drinking this water can make us sick. If we will drink directly river, lake and wells water, then it may cause disease. By taking that water, we can get sick also. In this picture, water from the factory is flowing into the river. As you can see the picture, this is a factory, okay. So from this factory, water is completely coming in the river, okay. And see, some men are throwing the garbage also in the dustbin. Okay, that man is bathing, taking bath the animals also in the water only. That person is washing the cloth, and that lady is filling the water for drinking. So this is called the polluted water, because in this water we are washing the clothes also, and factory dirty water also coming in this river, and the person is also throwing the garbage. So means this water is completely harmful for us. If we will drink this one water, then by taking this water we can get sick also. Okay, so people are using this water to wash clothes, bath animal, and to fill pot. This water is not safe for use. Right now I told you this water is completely unuseful for us. We should use only clean water and fresh water, which is useful for us. We should not use that water which is not useful for us. Now we will study how we can pure our water. Okay, how we can do puring our water. Study now. We can make water clean by boiling. Okay, if we want to clean the water, then firstly we should do that. Water should be clean. Boil. Okay, with the help of boiling we can clean our water. It for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, that water must be boiled at least 15 to 20 minutes. Boiling kills all the germs present in the water. After boiling in the water, there are how many germs will be? That all germs will be killed by with the help of boiling. Okay, we can also use water filter. As you can see, it's a water filter. It's a tap water. Okay, nowadays in every home, every person are using this kind of water. By this, our water is getting purified to make water clean. Okay, water filters are using to make water clean. In towns and cities, people get water through the taps. Okay, the person who are living in the towns and the cities, they all are using the tap water. This water, I think at everybody's home, tap is there. They all are using only tap water. Tap water is safe. It is also safe for us. It is cleaned in the treatment plants before it is supplied to our house. When that water is supplied from our house, before that it is getting cleaned. Okay, by the treatment of the plant. Okay, now we will study about the save water. How we can save the water. Firstly, we should not waste the water, because water is so much precious for us. Nowadays a person is purchasing water for so many rupees. Okay, that's why we should always drink water in a proper way. We should drink always clean water, and we should take care of this water also. How? Now listen. Water is very precious, very useful for us. We must save this. It's our duty. We all are human beings. We all are the citizens of the India. So we should always save the water for us only. We must turn all the taps after using them. Okay. Whenever we are using any kind of taps, like now we have seen backside picture, one boy doing brushing. Okay. Some persons are like this. While doing the brush, they used to just open the tap and they used to busy in their brushing. By that our water is completely get flowing. Okay, and water is completely getting waste. So that we should not do this. Okay, whenever we are doing brushing, the first thing we should do, close the tap. Or when we want to do gargle and if we want to taking out the water from our mouth, then we should switch on the tap. Okay, so always we should switch off the tap when we are not using them. When it rains, the rainwater can be collected in the bucket, pots and tanks. This water can be used later. Okay, when sometimes so much heavy rain used to be, that time that heavy rainwater we should collect for our further work. Like we can collect it in bucket, in tubs, in pots and tanks. Later this water will be useful for us. Now we will study about the forms of water. How many forms of water are there? There are three kinds of forms. Means we can see water in a three forms. One is ice, second is water, third is stream. Okay, there are three kinds of form are there. Okay, solid, liquid, gas are the three forms of the water. Okay, ice is the solid form of the water. Okay, ice, which ice we are taking, that ice is used to be so much solid. Okay, so that is also water. Firstly we are keeping the water in any pot. After we are making it freezing. Okay, then freezing out, it water used to be getting solid. That water used to convert in a solid form. That is called the ice. Okay, water is the liquid form of the water. Okay, that water we are drinking, in a liquid way. Okay, that's why it is the liquid form of the water. Steam is the gas form of water. if we are boiling the water and then steam is coming out, as you can see here steam is coming out, so that we are saying steam of the water. So that gas, that steam we are saying gas. Okay, so solid, liquid and gas, there are the three forms of water. This is all about the chapter. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.